Want to share your app but have no access to Wi-Fi and trying to conserve mobile data? No problem. Here's how to share your app with Bluetooth in a few simple steps. Inside of the app, tap on the menu bar. Select Share App, then tap Share App Installer File. Allow the app to access your files and photos. When the sharing menu pops up, tap Bluetooth. Make sure the other person opens their Bluetooth menu and turns it on. On your phone, once you see their name on the Share menu, tap it to share. The person receiving the file should see it begin to download. After the file has finished transferring, click on the download. If your phone asks you to grant permission to install third-party access, make sure you do so. This is important to installing the app. Next, tap Install. That's it. You should see your newly downloaded app on your home screen or phone menu.